Okay guys, I recently put in this 60 gallon two-stage air compressor from Cobalt, and I have a review on this channel of it, and I wanted to put a fan above it. My previous air compressor, which I took out, had a box fan hung from the ceiling area just above it to help produce airflow, since it is in the back corner of my garage. So what I did is I bought a round fan and hung it up above the air compressor, and works out really good. When I want to use it, instead of going up and switching it, which as you can see is up tall, I keep it on the fastest speed, and then I just go and plug it in. And if I want, I can always slow down the speed, but as I said, I keep it on the fastest speed. And now I'm creating airflow around the compressor and the electric motor. As you can see here, the fan is on a bit of an angle. Now there's the original two wooden strips that I put up across the ceiling joist, and I didn't want to move those. All I did was move the eye hooks that were there, and it wasn't quite centered over where the compressor is, so just to tweak that, I just took and changed the anchor point of the bungee straps to just tip it a bit, so that the airflow would be fully on, that it would encompass the compressor pump and the fan equally. Here you can better see what I'm talking about. All I did was use bungee straps. These are 15-inch ones. In my particular case, it worked out. Put them up here on the eye bolts, and just to make sure that I was getting airflow on the compressor pump and over on the motor, just by where I hooked it up at on the grid of the fan guard, determine the kind of tilt. And I have found that with the way it's set up right now, it does give a nice airflow around that whole point. So this is the fan that I chose, Master Force 20-inch high velocity floor fan, 4600 CFM maximum airflow. It's a Menards, and actually when you look at the cost of fans and so much plastic, which I didn't want, this fan was only $31.99. So I looked around at different stores, and I found this to be, for a 20-inch fan, the best value with the construction, and actually fairly well priced. I feel I might buy a couple more just to have in stock for other projects and things that you use. So, but that's what I ended up using for my air compressor.